Umintri katanat ka koi ka kya uba wailat miki shla, ulapun bana baka Tura Medical College, kalapan kre ban sedang no ya ka jingshim kelas naduh ka snem pule ka banwan, ha ka baka jing tungi kino hikai kadang ya syakman. Ngila sedang ha ka baya day baka jing tungi kino hikai, balada ki aka baro ki yai bay ya renti, ngin sedang no ya ka jingshim kelas hapo Tura Medical College naduh ka snem pule ka banwan, ong uba wailan habakran syakilat petai kubor hak artarik rumpang. Hak bas dang la temu ban penya ya ka college hapo jong ka PPP mod hendrei namar ka jingmi jong ka jingso kya hapo rilum garu kumta la penkelano syak government college. Ngila pun kut no ya ka jing temu penya da ka PPP mod bat menta ngila ya syakmat kum ka college sorkar ula benram.
Medical College, like last time I already briefed to the press that no doubt at the beginning we were planning looking at the many challenges of getting the teachers and this faculty. That's why we are planning to go for PPP mode. But after seeing the concern from the raised by the locals from the Garo Hills region, so that's why then we have done away with the PPP mode. So now we are going for the government college there. So we have started the recruitment of the faculty. So definitely if everything goes well, so hopefully by next session we'll be able to start the Tura Medical College.